Variable argument is a feature provided by the Java Standard Edition 5.0. It helps you to pass the variable number of argument of the same type as parameter to a method. The variable argument is a feature provided by Java Standard Edition 5.0. It helps you to pass the variable number of argument of the same type as parameter to a method. It means what? When you define a function, you define int a, then comma int b. That means you are giving a restriction to the programmer that only you have to pass the two value. Okay, if you are defining a one parameter, then you restrict to the programmer that you have to pass only one value. But where you are not sure about that how many function, how many value the user is passing to the function at a runtime, at that cases we are using variable argument. It's just like that when a customer is going to the shopping mall. In the shopping mall, the person may purchase one item, may purchase two items. But in the shopping mall, if there is 2000 items are present, and when a customer is purchase only one item, माने आमे फंक्शन parameter रे देले 2000 parameter पास कले, किंतु पर्सन कौन कला केवल गोटे वैल्यू गोटे जिनस किनला. So when person is purchase only one item, then other 1999 record is blank. तो सबुतरे हमर बिल टा आसीबो 2000 रो, किंतु ता भितरे गोटे आइटम रो केवल वैल्यू थिबो. That means it is wastage of your paper. When a customer is entering to the mall, in advance you don't know how many value the person will take at runtime. So in that cases we are using what variable argument, means at a runtime it will allocate the data. The variable argument is a feature provided by Java Standard Edition 5.0. It helps to pass the variable number of argument of same type as parameter to a method. It can be used when you have number of overloaded method which share the common functionality. So basically, when you pass more than one value to a function, then at runtime the function the value will be of same type. माने same type of value ही हमें function को pass करी परिबा. You cannot pass the different type of value. The var arg argument is providing that feature. Okay, so at runtime you have to pass more than one value at runtime to a function. गोटे function को at runtime मु more than one value pass करी परिबे. बुझी हला? शुभम?
Yes, sir.
आत्मज्योति बुझी पाइलो?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I go for a programmatically, then it is helping you to understand. Okay, see that class var then it a function define करा हला function होची int return type function name हला sum array आमे void छरा जदि अलग किसी return type दबा ताले आमे से function भितरे return keyword use करिवा मन रख when you are passing the return type except void then your function is returning the value. As I am passing here int as a return type, it return the sum. So when I call the function, it is adding all the value and show the result. Now see that I'm defining a function, return type is int and function name is sum array. Here I define the variable argument. For defining variable argument, that means you have to ensure that you have to give the same type of value. So that I have defined here int as data type, int data type, int array. Then now first I have create a object of class var class va. Then int sum is another variable. So sum is equals to object से object through रे मु sum array function को call कली. So I am calling sum array function. When I call sum array function, see that I am defining only one variable, but at runtime I am passing the 7 value. मेटी 7 value pass कली. And all values are of same type. That 7 value is going and store where it store in int array. Once it store into int array, for retrieve all the value into int array, I am using here enhanced for loop int I colon int array. So all the values that is stored in the array, it comes and store in the int I. Then I am adding all the number. I am adding all the number and storing the sum. So after adding all the number and storing the sum, it is return the value. सब value add करके ये return कला sum, ये sum टा कोटी store होगा ना ये value variable store होगा. तापर ये देखिए sum of the number is this. So it shows the sum of the number is 280. बुझिएला program? Disha, Atmati?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the next class, I will go for the next chapter. Okay, chalo, good night.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.